Okay, Josh Parker here from Keller Williams Realty in Trinity, Florida, and just wanted to bring you a little tip, trick that we learned here on using eEdge signatures and how to make them work for you. So first thing you're going to do is log into mykw.kw.com with your username and password. You're going to want to get into your market leader, which is going to take us right into the market leader platform by clicking on new leads. And as that loads, we're first going to hover over our admin tab here, and then we're going to select email. Once we've selected on email, this default tab is our email signature, and this entire area here is what we're going to work on, and this is where we're going to try and turn our email signatures into something that's going to make us some money. So basically what we wanted to do here is we used to have the phone numbers, fax numbers, mailing address, etc., with a link to our Facebook and all of that, and that hasn't really generated any money. So what we've done is we've gone in and we've changed this to click here for this weekend's open houses and click here to find out what your home is worth. So it's real simple to do. It's just a WYSIWYG, which is what you see is what you get. So literally we could type in, click here for this weekend's open houses. Just type away. You're going to highlight that. You're going to go and create a new window, which is just this button here. And for me, I went to my website, whatever your domain name is, and so mine's profusionpg.net for all of your Florida needs. We're going to come over here to our search tab by clicking on more options, and this little button here, open houses, and then we're going to search my areas that I service. So we're going to call it Trinity, Ritchie, Springs, born and raised, Palm Harbor, Okay, so we'll just do that for the sake of argument here. So we're going to run all of the property types, any price ranges, just those couple of cities here. But the key is selecting open houses. We're going to run that search. It's going to give us a nice big long URL, and this URL is actually a living URL. So even though I ran that search today, this is the same exact link that I have already in my signature. So here's all of the upcoming open houses. You can see May 18th, May 7th, May 11th, etc. Now you can change this based on price, low to high, etc. Do whatever you want. It's all going to change your URL. So we're just going to take this URL, copy that, come back over here to our Pro Market Leader. Again, this is highlighted, and you're just going to click the Insert Edit Link button here. And you're going to paste that there by using Control V, or if you're not fancy like that, right click, paste. And again, this is all the text that we've highlighted. You're going to select new window. That way when people click on that, they're not going to leave, they are going to leave your website, but they're going to still have your website in the back. They're not going to close your website out. So you want to do a new window, click OK, and then voila, that's it. So what's happened here is that's created an opportunity for us that when we're sending out our daily listing alerts, this email signature now is at the top of our listing alerts. So what we're going to get from that is a nice header at the top of our listing alerts where it says our signature information that's minimum required for our state, so you'll want to check and make sure that you're in compliance there. Of course, we wanted them to give our phone and fax, but now instead of our address and all sorts of stupid stuff that's not going to make of any value, here it now says click here for this weekend's open houses. That's a live clickable link. And so this is also what it looks like on our Market Insider. It's moved to the sidebar over here, and yet it's still prominent. Click here for this weekend's open houses. Click here to find out what your home is worth. And this is the view on a mobile device. This has been Samsung S4 is what I screenshotted here, so that you can see how very easy it is to grab that for them. And in addition to using this on our eEdge platform for our email signature, we've also added this in as our Gmail signatures as well. Again, getting rid of the non-money making activities and placing in, click here to see this weekend's open houses, click here to find out what your home is worth. For you to be able to do that, you're going to be in your Gmail, and then in the top right you're going to see the little gear. You're going to hover over that. That's for settings. You're going to come in and click on settings. And in doing so, you'll scroll down here to your signature. And this literally is going to be the same exact way that we did the one in Market Leader. Just going to type in what you want highlighted. We'll highlight that. Click here on this little link to change. And again, you'll type in whatever that link was. You can literally test it from right here. So we can click that and go in and see that, yep, it's working. It's taking us directly to our open house search page. And then click OK. And there it is. So for the sake of demonstration, we're going to go ahead and delete that. And yet what you can see here is that we've created some value in our signature. The click here to find out how much your home is worth actually takes our users directly to our sell page, which if you've got your eEdge, it's just your domain name / sell. So it's the what's my home worth. And to give you an idea of the value here, is the very first day that we implemented this, we had a buyer on our site that had been on the site since January. And here we are the last couple of days of April. And this person finally, through receiving listing alerts the whole time, this person finally saw that in our signature, and very first day that we had implemented it, requested a CMA on their property, and it's a couple $100,000 home in Dunedin, Florida. So hope this helps, and for any other questions, find me on Facebook, Josh Parker, Profusion Property Group, and we're out of Trinity, Florida.